A Great User Productions Incorporated presents. Grayscale Scratch Cat hacks into my Scratch account /grounded. And this project was inspired by Marcin Theochkvan and various YouTubers.
Man, så mad af dagere tuser keeps making grundet projects out of me and my friends. And his almost reaching 250 followers on Scratch. I wish I could hack into his Scratch account. He hang on hack. The ad just gave me the perfect idea. I am going to hack into his Scratch account by deleting all his Scratch projects. 10. I will replace them with a bunch of horrible projects. Such as I get ungrundet, Scratch Cat and Scratch Kitten get grundet. Stephanie, Poppy, Olivia, Scratch 2, Classic Scratch 2, Anna, and Bedania Cats get grundet. Evil Stephanie, Evil Scratch 2, and Dark Bedania Cats get ungrundet. Aqua and Crystal Cats get grundet. Emerald Cat gets grundet, but he used 2 market 2 series in the past. Dark Scratch Cat gets ungrundet. Gets grundet, Evil gets ungrundet. Peppa and Geopix get grundet, Dark Peppa Pig gets ungrundet. Benny Cat gets grundet, Evil Benny Cat gets ungrundet. Natalie and Trixie Cats get grundet, Dark Natalie and Ark Trixie Cats get ungrundet. And more. So that he will lose all of his followers. But first, I need to get my laptop. Og now that I got my laptop, I am going to hack into his Scratch account. Oh look, here's his username and password. Now team to delete all of his Scratch projects and replace them with a bunch of horrible projects.
1 hour later.
There, I will now delete all of his Scratch projects and replace them with a bunch of horrible projects. Now let's see how many followers he has now. Oh my god. Now he has just 5 followers. This is amazing. Now I am going to change his username to Grayscale Scratch Cat. There, I will just change his username to Grayscale Scratch Cat.
Meanwhile at my house. Alright, time to make more projects on Scratch. But wait, what happened to all of my Scratch projects? They're gone, and I'm also with only 5 followers now. Plus, my username has been changed to Grayscale Scratch Cat. And then on top of that, he replaced my Scratch projects with a bunch of horrible projects. Such as Grayscale Scratch Cat gets ungrounded, Scratch Cat and Scratch Kitten get grounded. Stephanie, Poppy, Olivia, Scratch 2, Classic Scratch 2, Anna, and Bethany Cats get grounded. Evil Stephanie, Evil Scratch 2, and Dark Bethany Cats get ungrounded. Aqua and Crystal Cats get grounded. Emerald Cat gets grounded, but I used to make those series in the past. Dark Scratch Cat gets ungrounded. E gets grounded, Evil E gets ungrounded. Peppa and George Pigs get grounded, Dark Peppa Pig gets ungrounded. Benny Cat gets grounded, Evil Benny Cat gets ungrounded. Natalie and Trixie Cats get grounded, Dark Natalie and Dark Trixie Cats get ungrounded. And more. No, that can't be. First, my YouTube channel got terminated because of getting too many community guidelines strikes. And now my Scratch account just got hacked. But wait, what's this project I'm seeing? It's called, You Just Got Hacked. I better watch it right away.
You just got hacked. This is what you get for making grunded projects out of me and my friends. Now, have fun getting hacked, loser.
Oh my goodness. I can't believe Grayscale Scratch Cat did that to my Scratch account. That does it. I'm gonna call his parents right this instant. Hello Nano and Dara, do you know what Grayscale Scratch Cat just did? Well, he just hacked into my Scratch account. He did it by deleting all of my Scratch projects, and replacing them with a bunch of horrible projects. Making me have only 5 followers. Plus, he changed my username to Grayscale Scratch Cat. Can you ground him, please? Okay, thank you. Goodbye. Back at Grayscale Scratch Cat's house.
Vel, når at de har givet en to area tuser Scratch-account i indgåing 2.
Grayscale Scratch Cat, jet do stairs right now. You are in so much trouble, man.
Oh no.
Grayscale Scratch Cat, we can't believe that you kid into a Gratus Scratch account. By deleting all of his Scratch projects, and replacing them with a bunch of horrible projects. Making him have only 5 followers. Also, you changed his username to Grayscale Scratch Cat. What you did was very unacceptable, and it can get you arrested for doing that.
That's it. You are grounded until a Gratus Scratch account is no longer act.
Go to your room right now. Anstætterium til Sayuchan Chomiaud.
This has got to be a really horrible day.